I got these boxes from our groceries delivery and I would like to turn them into table. But before that, let's go for my intro. So let's begin our project by putting masking tape to cover the boxes. Okay, as you can see, I'm putting masking tape. I am not going to show you the whole process, guys, because it would take us very long time, but I'm just showing it to you. And as you can see, I'm putting some of this divider. It's also from the grocery. It came with it, and the reason why I have to do that is to make the box a little bit more sturdy, so that when I cover it and make it as my center table, I can still put heavy stuff and it doesn't how do you call that, bent into the middle. Okay, and that's the reason why I have to put all those divider back. And now I'm putting more masking tape to put all the boxes together, because before I start putting the cover on, I have to make sure that this stuck together. And I did use the glue gun this time because I would like to reuse again the boxes later on for some other projects. And now I'm putting this faux contact paper. It looks like a wood and I quite like the texture of it or the color, so I choose this one. It's very cheap, guys. It's only $12 Hong Kong dollars, that is, for a roll, and I've used 4 rolls for all this project, so that's only around 48 dollars Hong Kong dollars, that is. And I got my whole center table. You'll get to see it later after I finish it, and you'll judge it. And I struggle trying to make this straight, as you can see, because this is just a boxes with lots of bins all over the place, and it's really quite hard to make it really nice and clean. And if you want to make it really nice, you can use foam board, and if you don't have foam board, you can use some like styrofoam, but I didn't have it. I just tried to make this as a project to show you guys that you can turn your boxes into something really nice. So I just try to wrap it up with all this contact paper. You can choose different color actually, and they have quite nice color. And I've choose some marble for my top, and as like what I said, you will get to see it later. You see, it's not very nice actually, the outcome. I should have used some foam board, but again, I didn't have it. I just have to use what I've got at home. But you can make it really nice if you have all the things like foam board, or if you don't have, you can use some styrofoam to cover the bumpy parts of the box. And I'm using this one on the side as well, as you can see. Okay, like I said, it's not really that good, but anyway, I'm just trying to show you how to convert boxes into something that is usable. And now I use this very beautiful marble contact paper. It's really nice. I quite like this one. It looks very elegant. The only problem with this is I couldn't find this so often. That's the reason why when I saw it, and I'm lucky that I found 2 of it. So I immediately grab it because I've been looking for this contact paper for a very long time. Because I could barely find this one. It's very popular actually. So there you go. See? I mean, I'm not really good in wrapping it, but it's just an idea for you guys. If you got some boxes and instead of throwing it away, maybe you can convert into something really nice like this table. I mean, I have a center table, but it's just an idea. And I quite like using this actually. I'm using it for quite some time on my living room. And I put my center table around because I like to enjoy my DIY center table. You see, it just keep on doing that so that it doesn't have the bubble. Okay, and I just cut this, and that's it. Our project is almost done. Okay, I just have to fold this side. It's very easy. It's not difficult to make, really, something that we can make good use of it. And that's the outcome, guys. You see, it looks very elegant. A piece of cardboard boxes with the contact paper, and this is it. It's only run about, if it's equivalent to peso, it's only run about 250 pesos for this beautiful center table. What more do you want? You see, and also you can save the planet by recycling your rubbish. You see, guys, this is my center table and I'm enjoying it. I'm using it right now. You see, that's also my DIY tray with the flower vase. See, guys, isn't it beautiful? So anyway, thank you very much, guys. That's the wrap up of my table. And if you like my project, please give me a thumbs up. And thank you very much. See you again next time. Bye bye.